Good morning. It's Wednesday, March 18th, day 128 of my 10,000 steps a day challenge for myself. It's 20 degrees, wind chill temp of 12. Winter just won't leave Connecticut. I'm still a congested mess, but still going to get my pre-work morning walk in. Let's go. It is a nice clear sky, so that's the good news, but it is cold. Really ready for spring, but the 10-day forecast doesn't seem like spring's ready for Connecticut yet. But let's get this pre-work morning walk in. Now on my trails in the woods, my morning walk still. It's only 20 after 6. At least all the snow and ice is gone. And the fresh air actually helps me feel better, seeing as I'm beyond congested in my sinuses. But let's get this wrapped up and get into work. After work on day 128, Point Beach, 34 degrees, so it's still chilly, but at least we have beautiful blue skies. Just gorgeous for an after work walk. Let's go. Now down at Morningside Beach. At least it's not as windy as it normally is down here. But just beautiful blue skies. Absolutely perfect. Just wish it was a little warmer. Let's keep going. Day 128 after work complete. 24,298. See you all tomorrow. Bye.